Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick replenish kind of grocery haul. This is from the Dollar General and Walmart, and kind of share with you in the week and a half what we kind of ran out of and what we needed to replace. So from the Dollar General, after doing the stock up haul, because obviously I need to go back and get fruits and veggies and things like that. So I just thought I would share this. So at Dollar General I did get some cat food. These little Smokies. Connor likes having these with his eggs or in rice, so I like keeping them on hand. I did get some, this is the knockoff Theraflu from Dollar General, but this stuff works really well. I'm sick. So severe cold and cough medicine there. Oh, the cat food was $1. These were $3.50. This was $5. And I got Connor 2 bags of these Takis, the Fuego flavor. This one's his favorite, so for after school snack kind of thing. Loves these. Now at Walmart, I picked up, I was almost out of oil. And I do prefer canola oil, but this actually was cheaper, so I grabbed the vegetable oil today. 2% milk. I got a bag of barbecue potato chips for sandwiches, some shredded lettuce for sandwiches and salad, strawberries. These are the best looking strawberries that we've got in a long time. So I still have blueberries and I still have grapes, and Connor has a couple apples left, so just wanted to add something else in that mix of fruits. Another package of this Great Value cooked ham. I bought this. I did not film the Walmart part of the haul. I just filmed the Save-A-Lot. But I did go to Walmart and get some stuff, and I got some of this ham and we liked it. And so I just grabbed another one. Kraft singles. We usually don't go through cheese that quickly, but we've been eating a lot of sandwiches because it's warmer weather and it's easier. So Kraft singles. A loaf of bread and some buns, and with the buns we'll do 2 meals, so most likely hamburgers and another meal of either chicken sandwiches or homemade barbecue sandwiches. So 2 meals with those. So I think these buns are like $1.20 something. So is the bread, I believe. The Kraft singles are right at $5. So is the sandwich meat. These were like $2.33. I think these are $2 and something. The milk is definitely $2 and something. This was $4, the oil, and the shredded lettuce was $2. So Walmart costs $38, and I picked up this Reese's Sticks because I wanted it. So yeah, $38 for Walmart and well, $12 or so for Dollar General. So just to stock back up for the week to go with what I already have. So hope you enjoyed the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.